Keep it up one more minute. Keep it up, you're so great. Standing.
Hello my loves, thank you for joining me for this video. It's the middle of the week and I hope you're having a great Wednesday, but today I'm bringing you my every Sunday cleaning routine. So go ahead and click the subscribe button below so you don't forget to do it later in case you enjoy what you see. But I work almost every weekend and I do get one off a month. And so on this day, I thought I would share my Sunday routine because when I'm working, I do the same thing. I just don't have time to film it. And I know you guys have seen me make my bed a million times if you're not new here, but it's rare that you get to see me take the cover off my weighted blanket, strip the sheets, Lysol things, put sheets back on, do a little laundry. So I wanted to share that with you today.
Call me up in a minute. Call me up, set me straight. Pickpocket my eye socket. There's no time to be prude. I let you kidnap my tongue in. I let you.
If you are new here, welcome. I am so thankful to have you. My name is Crystal and I live in North Carolina with my hubby, and I just love to share cleaning, organizing, and some decorating content with you. Right now, I am just Lysoling the insert of my weighted blanket. This is actually the weighted part, and you cannot wash it because it would mess your washing machine all up. So what you do is you just take it out and you wash the cover. And so every time I do that, I do like to Lysol the insert. I don't sleep with it directly on me. It's always over my sheet. So it doesn't really get dirty, but anytime you're doing bedding, you want it to be fresh and clean.
Can you feel the same? Tell me you do. Baby, I can't wait, begin.
I usually wash our mattress protector every other time, and since this was not time to do that, I'm just spraying Lysol on it, and when it is time to do it, I just spray it directly on the mattress. Also, you probably noticed my hubby go by the window a couple of times. He was outside fertilizing our grass as well as my neighbors and washing my car, and I just wanted to take a minute to brag on him. I know I do it a lot, but he is just amazing. Our neighbor is elderly and he cuts her grass every single time he cuts ours. If he does anything to our grass, he does it to hers too. And I just think that's the most amazing thing because he doesn't have to do it. So basically he is maintaining 2 yards.
Every little inch of my skin. Baby, I will let you in. Ooh, ooh.
If you have Instagram, please follow me over there. I enjoy posting things like food. That's another thing my husband does, is he's an amazing cook. So I like to share those types of things. Sometimes I'll do an outfit of the day. It could be anything, but it's just nice to share those types of things outside of just the YouTube content that I post.
Start a debate, prove them wrong. Go get them. No one has to know but you and me. Hey, I can point you in the right direction. Then it's up to you. I can show you the right direction. It's not a mission for two. People have brains and hearts. Go move them. Go get them. If you can't win, pretend. For as long as the dogs don't bark at your end. Be smooth, turn up the charm. White lies, do no harm. I can.
You guys know that when you have to completely strip your bed and remake it, it's a whole other process than when you just make your bed on a daily basis. So I appreciate you bearing with me and I hope you're finding it motivating. I am only going to be taking care of the bed while I'm in here, and then we'll move on to the laundry room so I can wash everything. But this is honestly exactly what I do before work every Sunday. So I didn't want to throw anything else in there like vacuuming or wiping down my mirrors. That does not happen. So we're just keeping it real here, friends. A lot of you know that I do not have any set cleaning routines for the most part. My schedule doesn't really allow for it, so I just do what I can as I'm able. This is one of the only things that I am very consistent with. Let me know down in the comments, do you have any things that you always do on a certain day of the week?
It's a sour taste in it. It's a sour taste. To be fooled again, honey. To be fooled again. Stole my heart and ripped it into pieces. Yes, you did.
I like to alternate between Febreze and my Caldrea linen and room spray for my bedding. So I'm just giving you a once over, and now we're gonna get all of this bedding washed.
Wanted us to make sense. I just wanna be the one who loves you. I just wanna be the one.
My husband and I are Costco junkies, and everything that I'm using for the laundry other than the sanitizer came from there. So we get the big fabric softener and the scent boosters, as well as the Tide Pods. The sanitizer I usually just pick up at a Walmart Market or Target. They've had it in stock pretty consistently lately after we had the mass shortage before, but that hasn't happened again, so that's been nice. And speaking of Costco, I actually filmed a haul for you guys and I accidentally deleted it. So the next time we go to Costco and Walmart and really stock up, I will definitely share that with you.
Stole my thoughts for no given reason. None at all. No, it's not the way I planned. No, it's not the way I wanted. No, it's not the things I meant. Know that I'm not being honest. Not the way I wanted us to make sense. I just wanna be the one who loves you. I just wanna be the one. Face the heat and maybe make a promise and make it through all our flaws, all our flaws.
The reason I'm able to get so much done on Sunday mornings is because I go in later than I do any other day of the week. So another thing that always happens is a wonderful breakfast, and on this day we had turkey sausage, scrambled eggs, and grits and toast. So now I am cleaning up the kitchen after that, and that's another thing that I have to do every Sunday after breakfast because I cannot leave a mess in the kitchen. You will see that I'll just kind of tidy things and wipe things down, but nothing too thorough, because immediately after this, I made deviled eggs for our dinner, and then I made my husband his favorite pound cake. So I saw no need to really go in depth since I knew I'd have to clean all that up again.
Face the heat and maybe make a promise and make it through all our flaws, 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 and make it through all our flaws, 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 all our flaws.
All right, while I'm getting things rinsed off and put in the dishwasher, it is time for the good stuff. It is giveaway time, my friends, and I wanted to do 2 of these by now, and I've missed them both. I wanted to do a 1,000 subscriber milestone and a 2,000 subscriber milestone giveaway. Missed them, so I am making up for it now. 2 people are going to win a $75 Amazon gift card. You heard that right, 2 people. So each person will get a $75 Amazon gift card, and all you have to do to win is be subscribed to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a purple heart emoji in the comments. I hope you will leave me a real comment letting me know how you like my video or what you were up to, anything like that. But all you have to do is have a purple heart emoji in the comments. I will use a randomizer to choose the 2 winners. And then I have my email address in the About section of my channel, or the winners can DM me on Instagram with their email address because they're gonna be electronic Amazon gift cards. But that's all you have to do to enter. So good luck, guys. And I just wanna thank you all for helping to get me to this point. It's never as fast as we want it to be, but I'm just grateful for anything at all because I never imagined that I would be at this point, and I am truly thankful for each and every one of you.
Someone told me, dance it off. Don't you know we're all disposable? It don't matter, break your cuffs. We go on and we will never stop. And there's no reason to be numb, but I can't even fall asleep until the dawn. If there's no love and there's no lust, whatever you got, I'm about to give it up. I'm not in love, I'm just pretending. I'm not in love, I'm just forgetting him.
I am just letting these 2 pans soak with the Dawn Power Wash because they were pretty stuck on. This pot and pan set came from Costco, no surprise, and they are Circulon, and they have them all the time. They were in there the last time we went. I highly recommend them. They are non-stick and they've held up really well. They're the best pot and pan set that we've ever had. My sister has since bought a set and we've given them as a gift to someone before. So if you're in need, check out our favorite Costco.
I'm not in love, I'm just forgetting him. I'm not in love, I don't feel anything, don't feel anything. Don't answer the phone, spending the days on my own, then repeats this for weeks to come. I don't care what I miss, 'cause my life is dismissed. I keep searching for my bliss. It took days to
I mentioned before that I wanted my walnut scrubber sponges back, and I am so happy to have them. I ran out and I tried the gray and white ones from IKEA. They worked okay, but to me, these walnut scrubber sponges are way better. I get them from Grove Collaborative. If you don't want to try Grove, a lot of people think you have to do a subscription. You do not. I just order things as I need them, and I usually wait till I have a bigger order because they do have a minimum, but it's so nice to have things shipped right to the house. When I just need to pick up a few things here or there, I get Mrs. Meyer's method, and then Target also has a knockoff walnut scrubber sponge. I'll just run there and get those things, but I do highly recommend these.
changes rules I've gone before, like I couldn't get over, couldn't get over, couldn't get over you, couldn't get over, couldn't get over, couldn't get over you. I go oh, 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 oh.
mentioned earlier that right after this I made deviled eggs and pound cake. I do have an old video of me making this same pound cake. It was a bit of a fail because we had the wrong flour, but that has not happened again since. But the deviled eggs are highly requested for almost every family get together, so I decided to quickly share how I make those, and I will post those over on Instagram.
I keep pushing myself now, deeper I knew sound more than ever before. Keeps repeating my phrases to see if it changes rules. I've gone before, like I couldn't get over, couldn't get over, couldn't get over you. Couldn't get over, couldn't get over, couldn't get over you. I go oh, 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 I go oh, oh, oh.
I normally use a microfiber cloth or my blue shop towels to wipe everything down with one of my multi-surface cleaners, but again, this is just a quick tidy, so I'm just wiping everything down with my dishcloth and then I'm gonna toss it in the laundry. Now I'm just vacuuming up all of our crumbs. I hope you guys got some motivation out of this, and I'm glad you got to see what I do every single Sunday for my cleaning routine. And don't forget to enter the giveaway. Again, there will be 2 winners. All you have to do is leave a purple heart emoji in the comments, be subscribed, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you all again so much for spending the time with me. I never take it for granted. I love you guys so much. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.